Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing and preparing your VPN so the rest goes smoothly. Select a provider with AES 256 encryption and a clear no-logs policy, and make sure your device is supported. Once done, create your account and complete payment. Save credentials securely. Make sure to enable multi-factor authentication if offered. Now install the app on the device you'll use. Because having the client ready lets you move straight to configuration and connection without interruption. You now install and configure the VPN client to control how traffic flows. After installing the official app, open Settings and enable the kill switch to prevent leaks if the VPN drops. Next, select a protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, and adjust DNS to the provider's secure resolvers. Then choose a server, nearest for latency, or a region optimized for streaming or torrenting. Once configured, you'll be ready to connect and verify protection. You finish by connecting and verifying that your internet goes through the VPN. Click Connect, then use an IP check and DNS leak test to confirm your address and DNS are masked. If speeds are slow, try a nearer server or switch protocol to WireGuard. For selective routing, enable split tunneling so only chosen apps use the VPN. If things go wrong, restart the client, switch servers or protocols, and contact support. Those steps usually resolve the common connection or leak problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.